This is Math 112. Remember, we're going to be doing 7.2, number 69. 69 is going to have two parts. It's going to ask us to find the minimums and the maximums of these functions. Our first function is f of x is equal to natural log of cosine of x on the interval negative pi over 4 and pi over 3. Take the derivative of this. d dx is equal to natural log makes this into an inverse, and derivative of cosine is going to be negative sine using our chain rule. So we get negative sine over cosine of x, which we know to be negative tangent of x. Really quickly, we know that the tangent of 0, negative tangent of 0, is equal to 0. So that's going to be one of our critical points. And that just leaves our boundaries. So let's evaluate the boundaries really quick. Natural log of cosine of negative pi over 4. Cosine is even. So, well, we know what this is. It's going to be natural log of 1 all over square root of 2, which is the same thing as saying negative 1/2 natural log of 2, right? Because this is really 2 to the negative 1/2 power. Natural log of cosine of pi over 3, that gives us natural log of 1/2, which is equal to negative natural log of 2. So if you see, whatever natural log of 2 is, negative natural log of 2 will be smaller than 1/2 of that. So this is most likely our minimum. And if we evaluate 0, natural log cosine of 0 gives us natural log of 1, which is equal to 0. So this is our max. There we go. Let's take a look at b, which is the flip of this. F of x is equal to cosine of natural log of x. In this case, the chain rule doesn't give us any favors. We're going to get negative sine natural log of x times 1 all over x, giving us negative sine natural log of x all over x. The only grace we get is that the over x doesn't really matter because dividing by 0 doesn't help us, so we really just worry about the top. We can keep in mind then negative sine. We want sine of 0 to get 0, and you're going to get natural log of something equals 0 when you get natural log of 1. Well, log of any 1 is equal to 0. So we're going to get negative sine of 0 all over 1, just as 0. Okay, so we know this is a critical point. I'll evaluate it later. Let's take a look at the boundaries. Oh, sorry, the boundaries here are from 1/2 to 2. Okay, so let's check these boundaries out. Oh, where's my pen? Okay. We have cosine of natural log of 1/2, our lower bound. 1/2 is just cosine of negative natural log of 2, and because cosine is even, we know that we just have cosine of natural log of 2, whatever this happens to be. Cosine of natural log of 2 is exactly what we had before. And this means that these are our minimums. And with 0, we check cosine of natural log of 1. It's equal to cosine of 0, which is equal to 1. And we know that 1 is the maximum value that a trig function can take. So that's why we know that these have to be minimums. There you go.